Welcome back to Pebble Garage. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little bit more work on this thing today. It's pretty late in the day already. I think it's like 3 or something. I don't know, I had trouble getting up this morning. Just didn't want to. Anyways, I want to get the alternator wired up finally. I need to get it hooked up so that I don't have to keep throwing this thing on the charger every time I start it 5 or 6 times. So I want to get the alternator wired in. I want to see if I can get any kind of signal out of the W terminal on this alternator to make the tach work. But priority right now is just getting the alternator to charge the battery while it's running. I think that's a pretty good goal for today. Like I said, I'm still fighting this burnout, so I got to take her easy. I don't want to push too hard and reset what little progress I have gained on the burnout. So yeah, we'll just start with the alternator. We're going to find a key on source, wire that into the alternator, and then wire the output for the alternator up to the battery. So let's get started. And of course, no wrenching session would be complete without your liquid painkiller. So yeah, Sparky time. One other thing that I keep forgetting to mention is I got stickers. And I got a little store that I opened up, so if you guys want to get your hands on 1 or 2 or 50 of my stickers, I'll post a link to the store in the description, so you guys can check that out. So it'd be awesome if you guys wanted to pick up a sticker. It helps support the channel and help fund the build a little bit. Well guys, I got it kind of cobbled for the power wire, the output, alternator output, but I did get the alternator trigger running. That wire feeds power as well when it is triggered. So I did have it running. I turned the key off and it wouldn't turn off, so I had to cut the wire. That means I'm going to need a diode to let electricity go this way but not this way, so that it can't backfeed and keep the truck running. But yeah, I'm feeling really bagged right now, so I think I'm gonna go and didn't get a whole lot done today. I figured out the alternator. That's kind of what I set out to do, so I'm gonna call it and go lay down. I'm freaking sore and tired. So yeah, and my diodes aren't here anyways. They're at the shop, so I'm gonna have to go to work tomorrow and grab them. And then a couple more wires run, and then we can start putting the dash back together. Very exciting. Oh yeah, I did that too a little while ago. I love how this thing starts. It's so good. Anyways guys, that'll do it for today, so thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.